going on YouTube? It's Lazy Soul checking in. First video. Got a triple unboxing to do. You know, 3 exclusive kicks that I'm very proud to own. Without further ado, let's get into it. All 3 of these are pretty much a love-hate. You're either gonna love them or you're gonna hate them. It's not gonna be no in between for none of them. First one up. Let's see the KD. KD6 Premium. Don't you just love that? Thank you, champs. Got the KD6. This is my very first KD6. Wasn't really a big fan of the KD6 silhouette. It was only 3 that I wanted, which was the Aunt Pearls, Florals, and these, of course. I was only able to cop these, so just happy to at least get one. Now, on to box number 2. These are my very first pair of this brand. I was a little upset at first when I found out, you know, that Wade was leaving Jordan to go to a Chinese brand. I had no idea why he would do something like that, but you know, turned out good for him. Made a lot of sense. Way of Wade box. Go. Way Away 2 Red Leopard. Got the dust bag. Alright, let's pull them out. I'm very impressed to see these shoes in person. I was very curious what they would look like. Fire. That is a nice shoe. I'm very impressed with this shoe. Li-Ning is doing a great job over there. Like I said, I wasn't a supporter at first, but the quality of this shoe is just crazy. Yes, I'm very happy to have those right there. And now on to the last one. I know these, a lot of people are definitely not gonna like. Me, I love the shoe. These right here are definitely a love-hate, and it's probably gonna be more hate than love. But oh well, buy what you want. I got what I want. The Way Away 2 Ras Fuego. Now this was a pack which came with the shoe and also a set of sandals which come out first, which also came in a dust bag, which is really nice. Li-Ning is definitely doing good things over there. Those, and now on to what everybody wants to see. Li-Ning Way Away 2 Ras Fuego, and I am just in love with this shoe. I know a lot of people have gave this shoe a bad mouth to this shoe, but beautiful shoe to me. Love crazy colorways, and this right here is definitely a crazy colorway. The leather on this shoe just feels, it's very soft. Like I said, I'm very impressed with the quality of Li-Ning. They are definitely doing big things over there, and I will definitely be copping more Li-Nings in the future. Yeah, man, it's a great shoe. Overall, I think these are 3 great pickups. Couldn't be happier. I'm gonna do a review for the Red Leopards and definitely the Rasfuegos. I may do one for the What the KDs, but there are so many reviews out already. If I do, it'll be a very in-depth review, but we'll see. But thanks for watching, everybody. Enjoy your day.
Everybody's wondering, like where the fuck is Jody been? I'm rolling, coasting, rolling, smoking, choking, switching bitches, get money like I supposed. Yeah, hey, everybody's wondering, like where the fuck is Jody been? I'm rolling, coasting, rolling, smoking, choking, switching bitches, get money like I supposed.